Hello, it's me, Jess, and I have decided to make a follow-up to my Revcom video just a year later. I've received a lot of comments on that video and a lot of people kind of asking similar questions, so I thought that I would do my best to answer those questions. Just to clarify, I do not work for Revcom. I mean, technically I work for Revcom as a transcriber, or I did, but I don't work on the support team, so I don't have all the answers, but here I go. So weirdly, a question that I get asked a lot is, can I have your Revcom account? And the answer is no. That's not allowed, and stop asking. Another question which I think is very important is, do I have to claim taxes from my Rev income? And the answer to that is yes. And based on my understanding, because I have been Googling this myself, is Revcom does not give you any tax forms, so you basically have to go on your PayPal account and use those transactions that you've received, those payments, and use those in your tax forms. And that's all I'm gonna say about this because I'm not an accountant. Another question that I noticed a lot is, can I work if I live in blank? And the answer is yes. You can work from anywhere in the world. It's a work from home job as long as you have a computer and a PayPal account, because that's how you get paid. You can work from anywhere. It does not matter. And lastly, am I still on the website? The answer is no, I am not. I used the website for a couple of months while I was searching for a full-time job after university, and once I secured the bag, I found the full-time job and I was like, I didn't really want to do the whole transcribing thing anymore, but I had a lot of spare time during that period of time, so I was like, why not? Now I've just decided to dedicate my time to, I work full-time, and then just to my hobbies and filming YouTube videos. I still am an advocate for this website because at the end of the day, it does create jobs. Does it pay well? Not really. That's kind of my stance on this. Yeah, that's kind of all I have to say. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah.